Vivian, I even thought you said you had nothing to do with this idiot. This bastard. This American caliber.
Please, watch your tongue. Because I am not an idiot. Do you understand?
Vivian.
Gentlemen, I don't know whether you are
if you don't shut up.
Watch your tongue. I am not an idiot. Do you understand?
I will squeeze you. You don't shut up. I will squeeze you.
Hey!
I am even confused.
Listen to her. You are even confused. Well done. Then I have to leave the two of you to sort out your differences. Maybe it will definitely help.
Mark,
thanks a lot.
Mark, you don't have to conclude like this. Mark, come back.
You want me to call the end survival? Me didn't call quite. Yamina Madonna say, oh, Allah Yabani. Me didn't quite. Alhamdulillah. Allah Yabani, me didn't quite.
What's that called? So ya busmo, so ya moti, so ya den. Why ya who say over the Jimmy boy? Oh, show me I'm your size.
I'm your size, man.
Do I look like your type?
Take it cool, man.
Do I look like your class?
I'm your class, man.
Me your level.
I'm your level, man.
Okay. Send me your class, sign your level. Just wait for me.
You want my level? Oh, I love.
So do not lie to us. The gossip was told to us that Vivian's parents is a strong threat to your parents. Now tell us, Joe, is it a lie? Is it a lie, Joe? Oh.
Relax. You know something?
Unless you tell us.
It was just an attempt to test my love for their daughter.
That's why.
And I don't think they meant any harm for me. You understand? Look, let me tell you. You don't trust me. Look, that girl is destined to be my wife. Without their parents, like it or not.
The grace. The grace. So you are now Mr. Wuta. You are with big dreams.
Big dreams. Yes.
Oh, we now coupon big dreams. It's all that you can see. Sometimes I try and make them true. Yeah. Big dreams. It's all I can see. Sometimes I try and make them true. Shut up, boys for Tingu. I trust you, man. Sure. Oh boy, I trust you. I trust you. The good man. Shut him go. Oh boy, shut him go. Prove it, man. Prove it yourself.
At times, I wonder if I indeed gave birth to this boy. Why he should go chasing a woman not his size is something I cannot comprehend.
What are you saying? But what shows that this is not his type?
Yes.
What shows that? Is she the Queen of England?
Hello.
Oh.
And Dada Gofrano.
Oh.
Don't deceive the boy. Don't deceive him.
I'm not deceiving anybody. Dada, I'm not deceiving anybody.
You're not deceiving me.
He has chosen whom to marry. What is wrong with that?
Nothing.
What's your problem?
Of all the beautiful girls in this village, it's only Vivian that Joe wants to marry. Mama Bibi, I walk from her. Nufu, as is so to say tennis ball. One who be a Vivian. Sana will catch me. I did trouble, Brian.
And is Vivian not amongst the women in the village?
She's a monk.
Eh? Is she not amongst the women in the village?
She's a monk.
Eh? If he has chosen Vivian, what's your problem? But what's your problem?
No.
Oh.
Nothing is worth dying for. You were here. Anna Saha Papano, your friend said, Nana Bunso, on any Yiribaha, on the Didi attempts are. And they even warned us that they are going to do everything under the sun to ensure that our son does not embarrass their daughter. And now we don't even know what they are doing next.
It irritates me when I hear the word embarrassment. Embarrassment. Opoku, cast your mind back. When you were chasing me.
High life.
What didn't my parents do?
Romeo and Juliet.
The humiliation. Yet you stood your ground and won my heart. And joy is your blood. And the saying goes, like father, like son. Like father, like son.
Like father, like son. Accept it, Papa. Like father, like son.
Sir, the Bibana me can on the weak point. No, they are, they are war. No, my memory. Yo, but.
Papa, do you know something? I have dream, Papa. I have dream. I can see the future. And the vision is that of Joseph's.
Yes.
And Papa, by the time I finish with this, you're calling Vivian, having hips, you looking at the size, there. Papa, it is nothing to me. She's nobody to me. By the time we get to the field, and I dribble her, I cross, but you trust me. You know that I'm your son.
That's my boy.
Yeah, you know that I'm your son.
You will marry her. Rain or shine.
I'm very strong. I have all the energy, romantic, experience to convince this girl.
That is it.
Oh, so you have vision, you have dream, you have what?
Yes.
You have what?
Are you jealous? I've been looking for you since 2 days ago. I even went to your house and met your absent. By the way, how are you?
Ha! You again?
Please, not today again. I have no dealings with you. Vivian is my friend. And I am a friend to Vivian. She's the only one that can terminate our friendship.
Hey! Vivian! I even thought you said you had nothing to do with this idiot. This bastard. This American caliber.
Please, watch your tongue. Because I am not an idiot. Do you understand?
Vivian.
Gentlemen, I don't know whether you are albino.
If you don't shut up.
Watch your tongue. I am not an idiot. Do you understand?
I will squeeze you. You don't shut up. I will squeeze you.
Hey!
I am even confused.
Listen to her. You are even confused. Well done. Then I have to leave the two of you to sort out your differences. Maybe it will definitely help.
Mark,
Thanks a lot.
Mark, you don't have to conclude like this. Mark, come back.
You want me to the end survival? Me jin kokoi. Nyame na me dana se. Oh. Allah ya bani. Me jin koi. Alhamdulillah. Allah ya bani me jin koi.
What's akwala wo? Sa wo ya busmo, sa wo ya moti, sa wo ya dan. Why ya wo ho say wo betije me boa? Wo hwe me am your size.
I'm your size, man.
Do I look like your type?
Take it cool, man.
Do I look like your class?
I'm your class, man.
Me your level.
I'm your level, man.
Okay. Say me your class, sign your level. Just wait for me.
You are my level. Oh, Allah.
This is sheer wickedness. This is sheer wickedness. I don't think there's a sort of fight piano from Bonnie Conseil. Eh? Is it a crime to love a woman? Is it a crime to love the woman of your heart? Yeah. Eh? Why?
Bema be ho asem na uka no.
Ni bajo.
Be put somewhere na friend say bema. Ada wuni ani. Wani afra. Uhu say bema gina ho, no ayi gina ho a wunhu.
I am blind. Get! I am blind. Many afra. Many afra.
Entira ko pedro.
Blind.
Wani nye. Ko pedro. Na say bema gina ho, na mo tie gina ho a. Uhu no munsunsun ye. Owo ye no, oba no, oni ukunu gina ho a, hwa na ye bema. Ukunu e gina ho oye bema. Na mo tie no su gina ho a. Uhu,
me ba na botia.
Ai,
obe wa oba.
Me
I am telling you.
Me ajuake.
I am telling you.
Agro.
Get me catch now.
Ubua.
Wait.
Opasa pa no timfa mamfie a.
Rain or shine. Me catch now.
Rain or moon.
I will see to it.
Rain or moon.
I am telling you.
Me ajuake.
One. I'm telling you.
Ubua.
Me see one. Me a train. Wait and see.
Ukunu no omobo. Wo na japoku kwa na aya me mobo.
Oya mabo ha.
Ukunu e no aye jobiri no odi wachi. Be ma kete chie ti saw. No obi ni oyire tinya akọ wo sensuo ba o. Se dia be ye unhu ni adekura wa wo. E na ate wo na ahwe na ye.
You are a liar.
Wo na ye mobo.
A big liar. You are a liar. You are a liar. Now uba no dey fini.
Me pa ka chem se wo payire e de ama wo ba na kwa ye bretuo no. Eho e na ne size omuguo. Eho na motia guo.
What? Who's it again?
Ensuo ba.
Come on, tie here.
Ensuo e ba.
Me buy it.
Ensuo ba.
Hey, don't come to my side. And mammy me lame cry. Don't hold my back.
Kala.
Make a lie drunkard.
Now then you ba.
Eh, me no punch my pampam no. Oboku.
Oh, who pampam? What did he?
Me need it. Gale so kuma no na so.
Well, what front?
Eh, oboku ma me hoda wa. Oboku. O jama me hoda wa. Dad one power yere.
Sir.
Me mamu mi onu. Take a pata.
Je na ben hwe.
Enye rough cry. What in your make no? What say ni?
Eh, oboku. Move free me. Out from my house. Move free anko.
Enye ni.
Mom come.
Enye ni ehia ni. Get say you.
Don't farm me because I have farmed that. You are farm me farm
by
that.
force. Who call? Obana na sasofo agu kwayem. Eho na moti agu.
I am monomeric. Monomeric right.
Na dia sam fukra na eben.
Monomeric. Mokoto.
Aba jansa mi po.
Monomeric ni so na mo de dia kesi. Tira na otwi mi no ma sa no fo.
Na ka ne be se krom ankan.
Ya nomeric. Monomeric ntina makwa wo sa. Roduai. Ni na tu krom an o disturb nkrofo. Oh, bibi sa ba.
Uncle Forest.
So hwe ya na ma yesi. Bibi ni nyina na ma yesi. Me na ne wo so nyina so balanko nti cap ne nsa no me de bayi opoku. Me twa ne into pieces. Me see you nya sekan. I cut the hand into pieces.
Asa wo ya wuti wo din na obayi kika ni ope. Nyam na mani ya di anko abefa ya.
So atwanse no mo de me hwe fom a e de anu ana ade buam bia fa firim so.
Oh, chema mi say.
Help am help nyam yanko mamo.
Ya tifia na asemba na wadweno ho. E jango fo ya se mebufu.
Ye share mo nya bone. Hwe kurei. Me nananom agichiri kurei. Emra na richiri. Emra na di aduma. Enti ba ko fo pie ni ho ono nko abetimi. Afamra no abon bo no de aye de ope. So. Ati. Wa hema me boa.
Nana ampa. Asema no kure. Na asemu yi nana nka ye ma asemu anka ye betimi aka. Nanso so. Asemu na so sen yen. Ena nana ye de aba wanim so obeka ama yen. Nana krom ha ye we watimi waka bibia ni krom. Enti wada no ma hye na ka asemi na kuro yi mu.
Ai ma me falso papa. Me susu se jabonsu ne ba no. Wanya de kura. Anya ni ye.
Me kura de minim se eye odo asem. Mintimi hu ni enti kura akola mienu o mahu o ho na fe de ehu ntokwa ka eso so eye odo asem.
Abrapo ye ka emabawa amene mayo agukro mu a ufie no omuguo. Ufie na omuguo. Omo ho ofe e kire me bai e ho no omuguo. Eti sa wo peba ama wo baba no kofa mo otia no fa na ma wo mo me ba de na wo enye me akosia do wo ba no enya wale no ba wale enya wale akosia do mpoi enya to wo bu ase asamre hi esamfu ani obawu esamfu akosia do mpoi